What is a keto diet? Hi everyone, if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button to get notified of my weekly videos. A keto diet is low carb, moderate protein, and higher fat, which will help you to burn fat better. The many health benefits of a keto diet include weight loss, optimal health, and performance as demonstrated in multiple studies. It has been shown to be very effective in losing weight and also for improving type 2 diabetes. I am going to show you what foods to eat and what foods to avoid. Okay, let's get into it. There are a few versions of the keto diet, including standard ketogenic diet, targeted ketogenic diet, and high protein ketogenic diet. Today I will focus on the standard keto diet, which is recommended for beginners. Typically, this is eating 75% fat, 20% protein, and 5% carbs. Ketogenic diet can help you lose much more weight than a low-fat diet, often without feeling hungry. By reducing the carbs, the body goes into a state of ketosis, meaning it burns fat much more effectively. Now you are probably wondering, what can and can't you eat on a keto diet? Avoid things like grains, wheat, rice, oats, cornmeal, barley, and grain products, bread, pasta, breakfast cereals, tortillas, root and starchy vegetables like potatoes, most fruit, sugars, legumes, and beans. Foods you can eat include broccoli, eggplant, advocado, coconut, mushroom, lettuce, zucchini, chicken, beef, pork, fish, dairy, berries, and capsicum, to name a few, but there are many more. I hope you enjoyed my video, The Keto Diet for Beginners, and if you would like to see some other popular diet options available, check out my other videos on intermittent fasting and the Mediterranean diet. Thank you for watching. On to good health.